how to use Discord stage channel feature. So to use Discord stage channel feature, head to one of your web browser, for example, Google Chrome or Safari, and then go to discord.com or Discord login. Now go to the website, then enter your email or phone number and then log into your account. Once you've logged in, tap your server's name and then select Enable Community. And then follow the prompts to complete setup. Now go back to your server list and then tap the plus icon and select Create Channel, then tap Stage and enter a name for the channel and press Next. Now assign trusted users at Stage Moderators and then confirm. Now to start and host a stage event, tap on your newly created stage channel from your channel list, then tap Open the Stage and then enter a topic for the discussion and then tap Open the Stage again. Now you are live at the top of the channel as a speaker. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. See you in my next one.